First, osteoporosis is an ailment causes bones to become weak and brittle. So the question was, can young adults also experience this type of ailment? The answer is yes, because as you all know, osteoporosis can occur at any age, but the risk for developing the disease increase as you get older. So the reason why it is at any age, because if we don't have enough calcium in our diets to keep our bodies keep functioning, it will remove from where it is stored in our bones. So over time, our bones become weaker, and that will lead to osteoporosis. So better to get calcium, because calcium plays an important role as a building block of our bone tissues.
Osteoporosis is common among elderly people. Can young adults also experience this type of ailment? Why or why not? Osteoporosis is a condition that affects the bone. It causes the bone to become weak and brittle, so brittle that a fall or even a mild stresses such as bending over or coughing can cause a fracture. Osteoporosis can occur in people of any age, so yes, young adults can also experience this type of ailment, including those premenopausal women in their 20s, 30s, and 40s, because osteoporosis is more likely occur in people who have low calcium intake, because a low calcium intake contributes to diminished bone density, early bone loss and increase of fractures.
So I choose A. Acromegaly is a rare, slowly progressive acquired disorder that affects adults. This means enlargement of bones in jaws in front of the skull are typically the most apparent bony changes. So to simply explain this, we have a gland, or what we call pituitary gland, that produces too much growth hormones during adulthood. When you have too much growth hormone, your bones increases in size. That's all.
Question letter C. Osteoporosis is common among elderly people. Can young adults also experience this type of illness? Why or why not? So, osteoporosis is commonly affected to the old, but there are also tendency that young adults also experience this kind of illness through a lot of possible causes. It may be caused by inborn process, lack of estrogen for the bones, and also lack of calcium, physical activity, and exercise. And it may be caused also by the genes or history of their family that has this kind of illness. There are two kinds or categories of osteoporosis: the primary or idiopathic and secondary osteoporosis, where some young adults also have this kind of factors that lead into osteoporosis.
So the question that I chose is this. Osteoporosis is common among elderly people. Can young adults also experience this type of ailment? Why or why not? So first of all, what is osteoporosis? So osteoporosis is a condition that weakens your bones, making fractures more likely. It's most common later in life, especially in women after menopause. But it's possible for children and teens to develop juvenile osteoporosis. This most often happens in children between ages 8 and 14. It sometimes develops in younger children during growth spurts. It's a serious problem because it strikes when a child is still building up their bone strength. You build about 90% of your bone mass by the time you're 18 to 20. Losing bone mass during prime bone building years can put someone at risk for complications such as fractures. When you're young, your body makes new bone faster than it breaks down old bone, and your bone masses increases. After the early 20s, this process slows, and most people reach their peak bone mass by age 30.
So I choose letter B. If I happen to acid reflux, what organ system in my body is affected? And what should I do to avoid this ailment? Explain first what is acid reflux. Acid reflux is a burning pain in the lower chest area, often after eating, and it is also known as heartburn. The organ system will be affected are the ring muscle or the ring esophageal sphincter, esophagus, and stomach. Best thing to avoid acid reflux: avoid foods and drinks that trigger reflux. Don't lie down after a meal. Eat slowly and chew thoroughly. Don't smoke. And last, elevate the head of your bed.
Osteoporosis is common among elderly people. Can young adults also experience this type of ailment? Why or why not? It sometimes affects young people, including premenopausal women in their 20s, 30s, and 40s. The term premenopausal refers to the women who are still having regular menstruational period and have not yet reached menopause. While it is uncommon for premenopausal women to have osteoporosis, some of young women have low density, which increase their chance of getting osteoporosis later in life.
Osteoporosis is a condition that weakens your bones, making fractures more likely. It's most common later in life, especially in women after menopause. In contrast, there is no clear definition of osteoporosis nor intervention thresholds in younger individuals. In a young adult may reflect a psychologically low peak bone mass. But it's possible for children and teens to develop juvenile osteoporosis. This most often happens in children between ages 8 and 14.
Acid reflux. By the way, what is acid reflux? Acid reflux occurs when the sphincter muscle at the lower end of your esophagus relaxes at the wrong time. Acid reflux is a common condition that features a burning pain known as heartburn in the lower chest area. It happens when stomach acid flow back up into the food pipe. By the way, the organ system can affect the lower chest area. It happens when stomach acid flows back up into the food pipe. To avoid acid reflux, acid foods and drinks that trigger reflux.
Sayawan mo na ako